Hey girl, in this video, I want to explain why YouTube is one of my favorite platforms for building long-term income online. Because unlike many platforms where content disappears quickly, YouTube videos can continue working for months or even years after you publish them. And once I understood this, it completely changed how I create content. And welcome back to my channel. I'm Abigail. I run this Faceless YouTube channel to help women learn how to make money online using their creativity, searchable content like YouTube, and having simple digital systems like the ones that I am promoting, even systems or digital products. Okay. So please know that you do not need to become an influencer to build income online, but you do need a strategy. You need to be consistent in the willingness to start. So I am a real woman that is running this YouTube channel. And please know I have a face forward channel that I have right now. I will reveal that at a later time. But this is me as a creator who has been online for a very long time, using the opportunity of Faceless to create income as well. All right, so let's get started. Now, most people think content works like this, okay? They think that most people create content believing it has a very short lifespan. They post something, it gets few views, and then it disappears. And that's how many social media platforms operate. But YouTube is so different, which is what I love. The reason YouTube is different is because people come here for searching. They type things in like how to make money online, digital products for beginners, passive income ideas, faceless business ideas. And if your video answers that question, YouTube can continue showing your content long after you upload it. One video can have many opportunities. Okay, so I want you to think of it like that. If someone searches a question, like a question today, and your video answers it, that same video can answer that question tomorrow. It can answer it next week, next month, next year, without you creating it again. This is what makes YouTube so very powerful. So I want you to stop thinking about videos as content. Okay. I want you to start thinking about them as assets. An asset is something that continues producing value after the work is done. So every searchable video you upload becomes another digital asset working in your business. Okay. So again, I like to preface and say that YouTube equals digital real estate. So this is why many people call like myself, I call YouTube digital real estate. When you create a video around a topic people are actually searching for, you essentially like claim a small piece of digital space online, and that piece of content can continue attracting views, subscribers, leads, customers over time. Okay, so a video doesn't have to make money directly, to be honest. Instead, your video can lead people to your email list, okay? Your digital products, your affiliate links, your memberships, your business opportunities. One video can create many different opportunities, okay? This is another thing I wish more women would understand too, is that you do not need a massive channel, okay? You can see my channel is not massive, not yet. If you're here, if you're one of my, I think I have about 70 something subscribers, or maybe 80 by now. I haven't checked before I did this video, but as you can see where I am now, have I directly made money sales from my videos just yet? No, I haven't just yet. But again, from my experience, even with my face forward brand, meaning I have a channel that shows my face, I know the experience of that. So this is why I am teaching it a faceless way. I want to show what's possible, and I'm also documenting too, as you can see. Okay, so again, you don't need a massive channel. You simply just need videos that answer questions, people are already asking, and prayerfully, my videos are doing that for you. So a small channel with searchable content often outperforms a large channel built entirely on trends. Okay. Now, I want to talk about the secret to creating content around topics people are actively searching for. That's the secret right there. That's how people, excuse me, can outperform many videos. Okay, if you even look at my channel, it's not the most viral just yet, but I keep producing because one video can change anything. Okay, here are some examples right here of videos that people could possibly search for, like faceless business ideas, what are digital products, Pinterest marketing, passive income ideas. My next video, I'm going to talk about Pinterest as well. I think it's the one of the best kept secrets that I think many people don't take advantage of. Now, this is why I personally love YouTube. Okay, I personally love YouTube is because I can upload a video today, and the same video may bring in views and opportunities months from now. I'm not monetized on this channel right now, but my Face Forward channel is monetized. So I know what it's like to produce videos and make money on a daily basis. Well, we get deposits every month. So I know what that feels like. Okay. And I love that. Okay, I love that. Now I know a lot of these other social media platforms are monetizable as well. And I can say the same for YouTube. You do have to work your way to be there, right? But I love the evergreen part of it. I love the long term traffic. I love that YouTube is beginner friendly. You don't have to come out here and try to be perfect and try to know all the keywords and all those things. Those things come over time. I could possibly someone that is a guru per se and YouTube could look at my channel and say that I'm doing some things wrong, but that's okay. It's about me learning and growing and continue on. But I love that it works while I'm sleeping. Okay. I've had people to, come onto my email. Well, I don't really have an email list just yet, but you know, I see views on my digital products and things like that. The sales is going to come. Okay. The sales are going to come. So for women building soft life businesses, this matters because the goal isn't just creating the content, right? The goal is creating assets that continue working for you long after you moved on to the next thing. To me, that creates more freedom, more flexibility in your whole entire life. Okay. So if you're interested in learning how to use YouTube, digital products, affiliate marketing, and searchable content to build online income, make sure that you subscribe. Go to mysoftlife.biz.com/start, and you will see the three different communities that I promote, that I talk about, that is great. Now, as far as YouTube, if you really want to learn YouTube, my advice is to get inside of Digital Profits U. Digital Profits U is YouTube is one of the things that is taught in there. You can learn about blogging, about Pinterest, all those great things. You can learn from that. It's a course, okay? It's not a community, it's a course. But the great thing about this is as you learn, and if you want to refer other people to it because you like it, my advice is to go in there and learn, okay? And not just put it out there to resell it just to do it, but I want you to go in there and learn. I want you to go in there and take action. Okay. That's what I have been doing. I learn it. And as I learn it, I share it with you. So Digital Profits U is going to be the best recommendation that I'll have for you when you go to that link at mysoftlife.biz.com/start. When you go there, then you will be able to see all about Digital Profits U. But that's going to be my highest recommendation. Okay. But if not, if you're not ready for that just yet, no worries. Come on over and subscribe to this channel. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.